Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a focus block. But before we start, what is actually a focus block? So a focus block is going to be really helpful if you do have related tasks that you want to complete together to optimize your time and your focus. All right, so let's start here from the calendar view. I'm going to first select a day and time. Let's say Friday from 10 to 12. Then I give my block a name, onboarding videos in this example, and then I click through create block at the bottom. And here it is, I've created my first focus block. Another way of doing it is from the task panel. So here I can either click through add focus block, or I can also use the shortcut, which is just typing the letter B from my keyboard. And then again, I'm going to give this block a name, let's say content marketing. And then I can start adding some tasks to it. Let's say this block requires only 2 tasks. And at the bottom, I hit create focus block. Again, I go back to the calendar view. And from here, I can see the 2 focus blocks I've just created. And if I looked at the second one I created from the task panel, I added 2 tasks. I click through my block and here it is. I can review and see the task I've just created. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to check out the other videos for more features and more information. Thanks for watching.